Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about JEE Advanced 2025 Physics Paper 1, question number 4. This question is related to the vernier calipers, class 11 physics topics, and this is the very easy question asked in JEE Advanced 2025. Let us see the solution of these questions. First, we will read the questions. Figure 1 shows configuration of main scale and vernier scale before measurement. Okay. Check figure 1. There is vernier scale, this is the main scale, and 0 of vernier scale is coincide with the 0 of main scale. That means that there is no zero error. If vernier scale 0 and main scale 0 do not coincide with each other, then there is a zero error and we have to calculate the zero error. Okay, but there is no zero error because 0 of vernier scale and 0 of main scale are coincide with each other. Then there is no zero error. No zero error. Okay. Now we have to calculate least count of this vernier calipers. From figure, it is clearly seen that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 main scale division is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 vernier scale division. 10 vernier scale division. Okay. From here we will calculate 1 vernier scale division is equal to 7 by 10 हो जाएगा. Okay. 7 by 10 main scale division. And we will know that least count is equal to 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. From figure, it is clearly seen that 1 main scale division is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Okay. From here, we will calculate least count. Put the value of 1 vernier scale division. 1 vernier scale division is equal to 7 by 10 main scale division. Okay. From here, 1 main scale division will be common, and in bracket 1 minus 7 by 10. We will calculate 10 minus 7 by 10, 3 by 10, and 1 main scale division is equal to 0.1 centimeter. 0.1 centimeter. Okay. It will be 3 by 10, and by calculation 0.03 centimeter. We will calculate the least count of this vernier calipers. Okay, 3 by 10, 0.3, 0.3, 0.1, 0.03 centimeter. Let us calculate measured value of diameter D. That means ki total reading. Total reading. We have to find total reading. Total reading is equal to main scale reading plus vernier scale reading. Vernier scale reading. Okay. Main scale reading is the we will calculate from figure number 2. Before the 0 of vernier scale reading of main scale is the main scale reading. Okay. So from here we will clearly see that this reading is the 0.1 centimeter. Okay. Then main scale reading is 0.1 centimeter, and vernier scale reading is the least count into coinciding division of vernier scale with main scale. Okay. So from figure, this division is coincide with the main scale reading. Okay, main scale reading. This is the first division. Then we will write here vernier scale reading is the 0.03 centimeter into coinciding division of vernier scale with main scale. Okay. First division is the coinciding. From here we will calculate 0.1 centimeter plus 0.03 centimeter. By adding this we will get 0.13 centimeter, and this is the answer for this question. Hence option number A, B, C, D. Option number C is correct. Okay.